Dividing decimals. So division is splitting one number into equal parts. And when you do that, you need a whole number of parts. So we can only divide by a whole number or integers. If you're not able to do that, then you have to rewrite the problem by multiplying powers of 10. So I'll show you what I mean. In this example here, because I'm dividing and my divisor has two decimal places, I have to multiply by 100 to move that decimal place all the way to the right and get 16. I'd have to do the same thing with my other number. This other example, because my divisor is or has one decimal place, I'd have to multiply by 10, which means I'd have to do it here also. The problem we're doing is 7.088 divided by 16. So 7 and 88 thousandths divided by 16. All three of these problems are equivalent when you actually multiply by 10 or multiply by 100. Those problems will end up looking the same way. So this is straight up division. So 7 and 88 thousandths goes inside our division bar. 16 goes outside. So 16 does not go into 7, that's 0. 16 goes into 70 4 times. 16 times 4 is 64. We subtract, we get 6. Bring down the 8. 16 goes into that 4 times. 64. Make sure when you're doing this, you always line things up, because that's a big issue that I see. So that 4 should go on top of that 8. That other 4 should go on top of that 0. Whatever I get next is going to go above that 8. So make sure you give yourself enough space so that you know you're filling in all the gaps. And 16 goes into 48 3 times. So that's our answer. Our answer is 0.443, or it's 0 and 10 100,000. It's 443 thousandths.